called Last Stop. Put a quarter in the jukebox. I don't care what song you pick. Make sure it's a nice long one so it ain't gone too quick. Something I can sing along with while I sit and toss a couple back. Think about the good times and the hard times and the times I just chuckle at. Tell me all about your life, cause I done heard enough about mine. Sitting here at the bar cold bullshitting like it ain't nothing outside. Funny how it all flies by. All the days you thought would never come. Memories that you can't quite place. Friends that you never get a letter from. Everybody that you love. Every little thing you feel. Every crazy night that you've been through. So the track could bring you here. Bet you didn't see it coming, did you? Bet you wonder what comes next. But I would love to give you some advice, son, but I ain't got none left. Putting on this mouth can be like trying to get an old car to start. Life is tough in the first 100 years of the hardest part. Here's a 20, pay the man, but don't go taking that change. Cause it's all the money that I got left, and I gotta make the last train. Look back, one breath, one life, none left. Next stop, nowhere, no plan, don't care. Sad scene, first fears, bad dreams, worst fears. Man up, don't cry, good friend, goodbye. Fist fights, no pain, street lights, cocaine, mistakes, bad luck, mistakes, handcuffs, cold nights, dark days, hold tight, always. Last stop, last stop, last stop, last stop. Look back, one breath, one night, none left. Next stop, nowhere, no plan, don't care. Sad scene, first fears, bad dreams, worst fears. Man up, don't cry, good friend, goodbye. Fist fights, no pain, street lights, cocaine, mistakes, bad luck, mistakes, handcuffs, cold nights, dark days, hold tight, always. Last stop, last stop, last stop, last stop. Put your ticket in the turnstile. I don't care what train comes next. I've been riding these tracks my whole life and I ain't done yet. Back and forth, day and night, memorize every last route. Head down, hood up, arms in, flask out, wheels spinning, floor shaking. Not another soul in sight. Just a moving diagram of the city coming up a closing night. Take a seat and let your mind just unwind, son, it ain't that tough. The night train feels like the one place where the trouble can't catch up. It'll never criticize you, it'll never ask you why. It'll always come around and pick you up when your life pass you by. Gotta forget what you should've done.